Okay, this is going to be a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage. This thing was installed in my bedroom, 2019, I think, or 20, I don't know. Straight turn in this fan, and also it's dirty, so I need to clean it. So let's go see how they turn on. First the light. Fan low. Okay, it's on low right now, so this is me. I used them on a medium, but I didn't use it too much, so this is hot. Yeah, it's a little bit wobbly. Yeah, it's a little wobbly right now. And this fan is making a crank noise. They're making the balloons come in. Yeah, no, it won't. I'll turn off my fan and switch. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.